Today we're going to talk about exercises 3 in Primary Math 1A, and it's from the textbook page 12 and 13. The idea that we're talking about today is very simple. It is when things are the same or when something has more or something has less than another group. So let's think about children in your family. Can you think of a family that you have the same number of children as? Or your family has more children than somebody else? Or your family has less children than somebody else? That's the idea we're talking about it. Now, if somebody said to you, how do you know that you have more children or the same children? Well, that makes it a little hard to explain. But with math, we can explain how we know that something has the same or more or less than another set. For example, in my family, we have children named Blake, Catherine, Caroline, and Brooke. We have a family friend that has in their family, they have Abby, Sophie, Jacob, and Luke. I know that we have the same number of children because if I match up my children with these other children, everybody is matched up exactly with one other person. So that means that we have the same number of children. Neither family has more or less than the other. These are the same because they all match up. If you look at our other family friends, they have children named Emily and Rachel. And if I match up this family with our family, we run out of children in their family to match to. And so we would say that our family has more children, their family has less children, because they ran out of children before we did. If I compare our family with another family we know, they have Katie, Noah, Allison, Nathaniel, and Jonathan. And this family, if I match up all of our children, it's the Barnetts that run out of children before the other family does. And so in this case, we have less children and they have more children. One way to compare the number of more or less is simply by matching them up with each set and finding out which one runs out. The one that runs out has less. The one that continues to have more has more. And that's a good way to think about less and more and the same.